Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about the broken wing butterfly, so make sure you stay tuned. If you want to be coached personally by Ernie himself, click the link in the description where you can find Ernie's trading service. Enjoy guys.
So some of the things about a broken wing fly, and before we go any further, I'm going to show you what a broken wing fly looks like. All right, so typically we would put on a butterfly like this, and if you wanted to play a broken wing fly, so this one's out of the money. You can see here's at the money right here. And the way you can get a broken wing fly is you could move the center strike closer to at the money and make the front spread smaller than the back spread. If you don't know already, a butterfly is really comprised of two spreads. There's the front long spread, and then there is the back short spread, and they share the same short strike. So a butterfly is made up of two longs. There's one long call here, two short calls here, and one long call here. And so if you split them up, there are actually two spreads that are facing each other with the same short strike, and that's what makes the butterfly. Another way to look at a butterfly is that it is a strangle surrounding a straddle. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but that's essentially what it is too. So one way that we can make the entry of this one, as you can see already, the entry of this one is only $110, which is pretty small. It's probably, let's see, let's put it on here. It's about 110. I just unlocked it. It's $1. That's pretty cheap. Typically we would have it much closer than this. So let's try that. Let's move it closer by, I don't know, 20 points. So we'll go to 74.30, 74.60 and 74.90. Okay, so now you can see it's much closer. Now this 30 wide fly cost right around $3. Now this is the typical price that we would pay for an out of the money butterfly. 10% of the debit, right? And that's what would give you the 1-to-9 risk to reward ratio. So we're right there. That's like the standard for everything that we do. You do these over and over again and follow our profit management technique, you're going to do very well. So, but somebody might think, I don't want to pay $3. I want to pay less than that. You have a couple of choices. One is that you could move it further out, like where we had it. It was 20 points further away, or 4 strikes further away, and that certainly made it cheaper. It was only $1. The other way you can make it cheaper is you can take the center strike and you could move it about 1 strike closer to the money. So I'll move it from 74.60 to 74.55. Now, when I do that, it's going to reprice this option, and it made it a little cheaper. It made it 30 cents cheaper, or 20 cents, around 25 cents. Maybe I could move it 1 more strike, so there's 2 strikes. So now it's made it much cheaper, and now it's only 92 cents. And that's certainly a lot cheaper, because all I did was I took the center strike and I moved it a little bit closer. So in other words, it's now much cheaper to get into. The long strike right here, right at the front edge, is no different than it was before. It's just the center strike is moved so that this spread in front is a smaller spread, and the one in back now is a bigger spread. So the one in front now is a 20 wide, and the one in back is a 40 wide. Now, I made it much, much cheaper, relatively cheaper, right? I don't know why it says $1.90 there, but it only says 95 there. That's kind of weird. I think something's slow here. But in any event, that's how you would create a broken wing fly. And a lot of people find this attractive because they think, hey, now I can get into what is essentially a 20 wide fly, but be much closer to the money. And so that is the attraction to a broken wing fly.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable Zero DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care guys.